In today's video, we are going to quickly go through how to create a Google Ads account. So first things first, we're going to go to ads.google.com. Once we have gotten to that website, you will be presented with a page like this. From there, we're going to click Start Now. If you have an account, you can just click Sign In. If not, just click Start Now. And from there, it should lead you to either a Google sign-in page if you're not already signed in, but because I'm already signed in, it's led me straight to this page here. If you have any accounts already, then it will be showing up here as well. But apart from that, let's click new Google Ads account. And so to make things faster and not have to go through all of these questions here, just click switch to expert mode. And then from there, you're going to click create an account without a campaign. From there, confirm your business information, so which country you're in, time zone, and currency. Click submit, and then boom, you're all done. You can explore the account. Now, if you need to provide access to a agency, what you can do is just copy this 10-digit number here and send that off. And then from there, they'll be able to request access to your account.